Or maybe it's the partially eaten one.
Does anybody have a straw?
You okay, buddy? Don't eat anymore. Don't let him eat
Look out! Look out!
It's all right, buddy. It's all right. Well, he's got special needs, but okay? Nope, stand up. No, I want you to stand up till you're done. Okay, baby, go ahead and eat.
What's happening to him?
He's just coughing. Jeez. Yeah. Somebody needs, this is not normal. No, it's not. You want to sit with Mama? Yeah.
What the